gonna show you how you can make air pop popcorn without an air popper. All you need is a simple paper bag. Get ready to see how easy it can be. I love air pop popcorn. It's like my favorite snack. But the thing is, I don't have an air popper. It doesn't stop me though. I can still make air pop popcorn. You don't need an air popper. All you need is this, a brown paper lunch bag and some kernels and your microwave. That's it. So all you're gonna do is open up your bag. You're gonna pour in your kernels. So 1 tablespoon of kernels pops up to about 1 cup of popcorn. So I would suggest no more than 3 tablespoons into 1 brown paper bag. You don't wanna overfill it because then popcorn's gonna go all over the place. So pour your kernels into the bag. See? Okay. Then you're gonna take the bag and you're just gonna fold it over a few times. So we're folding it over just to make a nice tight seal. About 2 times does it. Then you're gonna lay the bag on its side in your microwave and you're gonna pop it for about 2 to 2.5 minutes depending on your microwave, and that's it. And at the end you're gonna have a delicious bag full of air pop popcorn without needing an air popper. So popcorn's out of the microwave now. You can see, popped up delicious. Smells so good. You can see right in the bag there, the popcorn. And now we're just gonna put it into our bowl. And there you have it. Delicious air pop popcorn, no air popper needed. You can season it however you like and it's a great whole grain snack. I love it. So if you love more easy kitchen hacks like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments, did you try it? How do you like to season your popcorn? And what other kitchen hacks do you enjoy?